everyone, welcome back to my channel Kusina ni Dan. For today's video, I am not in my kitchen. I am in the mall in Rosario, Cavite. Today, I will buy some kitchenwares and see the price and compare them to the public market. Andito naman tayo sa kitchenware section. Hiningin na po tayo ng price. The price is 229. Bibili po ako nito. Ito po yung price na. This one is 729 pesos. The price of this one is 2,149 pesos. One set of spoon is 779.75 pesos. Ito, golden spoon worth 79 pesos. I buy this for 2 pieces. This strainer costs 149. 899 pesos. Almost at 900. Ito na po ang binili ko. Set na ganito. Dalawang kitchen towels. 3 golden spoons. A pack of spoons. And a measuring cup. Papunta nga po tayo sa cashier. Dumaan po kami ng credit card. Kami mamili, kaya sa Jollibee na kami. Hindi na. Pero hindi na po tayo sa Jollibee. Kumakain na tayo. Ito lang po yung end ng video. Like, share, and subscribe. My channel, Dan Kusina ni Dan. And don't forget my Facebook account. Dan MC. And also text my videographer, my mom. Bye. Thank you for watching.